Welcome back everyone. Jennifer from Concepts by Jennifer Dotson. I just wanted to do a quick video on the punch bowl with these drink bombs. So I got my punch bowl, I put some ice in it. I'm just going to use some filtered water, fill it up. Just wanted to show you guys a demonstration of this so you could see how fun and beautiful this is. So in the video I made before, I made these blue drink bombs and I have 2 left over, so I'm going to show you how they look inside your punch bowl. So you're going to make your punch bowl the bomb now. So here we go. There is one. This flavors it. This is just plain water and ice. So put in your bath bombs and just you get a mesmerizing show. These have sparkles in it, the sprinkles, so that's the colors you see. And they are just awesome. So this is giant bombs. Well, not giant, large. This mold for bath bombs. These are the molds I got off of Amazon, and I will put the link in the description on where to get these at. So I just used these to make the bigger bombs to put in your punch bowls. And look how awesome that is. Let me get a spoon real quick to show you. It's just mesmerizing. Floating around. All that popping in here, that's from the Pop Rocks that we put in from our recipe. They'll just do their thing. Floating around, popping and fizzing. Flavoring your water. You could choose any flavor you want. Any flavor of drink packets and any flavor of Pop Rocks if you want to put Pop Rocks in it. You could put sprinkles in it, you could put edible glitter in it, any other thing you want to give it color or a different effect. This is edible. This is for your drinks. Remember that. Don't stick these in your bath because you're going to have a really sticky bath. These are drink bombs. I'm just giving you a display of what they look like in your punch bowl. Here's my punch bowl, by the way. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that punch bowl. Woohoo! I'm gonna take this off and give you guys a close-up. Can you hear that? Is that not the coolest thing ever? Could do these for kids' parties, football parties, book clubs for women. I mean, maybe you could even do these with wine. Wouldn't that be something? I gotta figure that out, how to do that one. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future posts on bath bombs, drink bombs, everyday living. Thanks everyone for watching.